with 3 or 4 projects. 3 or 4 projects. It can be Python projects, it can be SQL projects, it can be Excel projects, it can be Power BI projects, any of these projects. If you are on the group, on the WhatsApp group, I mentioned what I asked a question, what do you want us to do? If people are picking portfolio, if you don't have a project, there's nothing you're going to do with that portfolio. You just build the portfolio and keep. So I was expecting that, okay, some people say they don't have any project. Let's even do 3 projects first. So after the 3 projects, you can now decide, okay, yeah, let's now do portfolio. But now we are going to do the portfolio. I'm going to show you how to do it. But you'll have like 2 or 3 projects, so that by the time you start uh, uploading it, you will know how to upload. Now, if I say I want to upload now, I want to upload the project. Me, I have a project. I don't know about us in the group. Me, I have a project. My projects are already are documented, so I don't know about you. I don't know how your project is. So that you just did a dashboard. You did not document it, you did not give reports, you did not give view of the project. I don't know how you do your project. So that I was asking some here, some inside this platform are my students, some are not my students. Some just joined through the link. So that was I asking, do you have a project? Is it project you want us to do? Excel project, Power BI project, R programming project, Tableau project. But we end up choosing what will I say now? The people that choose projects are more than people that are choosing Power BI, R, Python, and every other things that put there. Hello, you want to say something?
Yes, sir. Please, are you sharing your screen? I'm not seeing anything.
Okay, I've not started. I'll share. Let me just share. But I've not started.
Okay.
I'm sharing now. Can you see now? Can you see?
Yes, yes.
Okay, okay. So like I was saying, we end up choosing what is it called, portfolio, so which is I want to deliver to us. That's why I want to teach us how to build our portfolio. Okay, so like I said, the first thing we need is the Visual Studio Code. The Visual Studio Code, we use it to edit the codes that that we are going to use for the website. You downloaded the HTML5.net, you downloaded the massively. So that massively is made up of HTML5, HTML and CSS, HTML and CSS files. So we are going to edit those files. So let me show us. So this is the sorry, go back. Um, so this is one we're making use of. So this one we're using. You can see what they have inside. You can see the contents. Hmm? Hope you are looking at my screen. So
Yes, please.
this is what we have. This is a page. This is the page, the first page of the site. This is the first page. Then you have menu. You have menu. You have menu. So you can link up your social media account. You can see your social media account. You can link it up to your Twitter account, your Facebook account, your Instagram, and your GitHub account. So you can link it up to the social media account you have. So if somebody click on any of these social media, it will take them directly to your social media account. Okay. So this is the site you want to use. This is the page you want to use. Everything inside this page, we want to make it our own. Like all this page now you're seeing, you can see some of this page. Some of this page will stand in like a project. So if you click on it, it will be in form of a project. If you click on any of this page, it will be in form of a project. So we've downloaded this. For those that are following me, we've downloaded this. We've downloaded the Visual Studio Code, right? So the Visual Studio Code I've installed. If you have not installed it, make sure you install your own. Let me show you the Visual Studio Code. So this is the Visual Studio Code. This is the Visual Studio Code. So here we're going to use this software to edit that code. We are going to use it to edit that website. So the website got massively. So this is massively. Let me go back to my file. Unzip it. So this is HTML5 massively. So we're going to unzip it. It came in form of zip file. You can see it's a zip file. So we're going to unzip it. So let me unzip. So you do the same thing. Unzip it. Unzip that file. So I'm going to extract all. Let's get file. Okay, so once you click on the extract all, you will see this file. So select the destination and extract files. So you select where you want that file you want to extract, the folder you want it to be stored inside. So I want it to be stored inside my download. So this is my download folder. I still want it to be stored on my download folder. So I will click on extract. If you want to change it, you can change it. You can click on browse, then you change it. You can click on browse, then you change it. So after who is joining the class? 1 minute. So this is mine has finished extracting. So this is my file. Inside you have the index. This is what we're making use of, the index. So this what we are using, the index. So I will rename this one, the one I just extracted now. This one I just extracted. The one that is on zip is 1.96. You can see 1.96 MB. The one I'm using now is 3.75. Can you see? So a zip file, why it is being zipped is for them to compress it so that the size will not be much. So you can see after unzipping now, you can see that the file is large. It's 3.75 MB. So I'm going to rename this one. Just rename this one. Do the same thing. Rename it. So you can use your name to rename it. So I'll just use my name. So I'll just use Johnny Daniel to rename it. So this is it. This is the file I want to use. So next, are we following? Should I recap? Are we following? If you don't understand what I've done so far, you can raise your hand.
Yes.
If you don't
Yes,
understand what I've done
I
so
get what
far,
you're
you
saying.
don't understand what I've done so far, let me see your hand. I can just rush over it and come back again. Okay, 1, 2. Okay, 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 good. Play this why this is what I like. Always like ask question, and if you don't understand, raise your hand. If you don't want to talk, raise your hand. I can easily recap. So I can carry everybody along. Okay? So I will recap again. The first thing I told us that what we are doing today is what? Creating a portfolio account. And I told us that why we are creating this portfolio account is for us to be pushing our projects on GitHub, and using that portfolio to showcase some of the work we've done. Some of us, if our system crash now, it means that everything we've done so far, like everything you spend years doing, you have to start doing it from scratch. And you know how painful it is that start doing something from scratch. You went for a class, you spent like 6 months in that class, you did like 3 or 6 projects, and maybe one or two things happen to your system. Discover that you cannot access any of the file. That is one aspect of it. Then another aspect of it, if you go for interview or you're applying for a job, they now ask you to send your project. You now be looking for Excel file to send. No, you have to have a platform whereby you can just give them that link for them to access everything you have done so far. So that's why we are creating this portfolio. So I'm taking us from the basic of this class to the advanced. So we are starting with the basic. What are the basic? What you need to use for creating this portfolio. These are the basic parts. I say you need the Visual Studio Code. Then you need the GitHub account, which I'm going to put us through on how to create. Then you need to have a project that you have worked on, like 2 or 3 projects that you have worked on. Okay, and you need to download the template I showed us just now. That is the HTML5. I know that some of us have already downloaded. So this is the file I say you should download. This is it, HTML5. So just click on download. If you don't have this link is on our WhatsApp group. I've sent it to our WhatsApp group. html5.net/massively. That is the template we are using. You know what the template is now? Like already made, already designed, this already designed templates that you can use to you can manipulate it and make it your own. You understand? You just manipulate the things that are inside. Then you make the template your own. Nobody will arrest you for it. Nobody will beat you for it. Okay? So this is the sample we are going to use. This is the sample we are going to use. So I told us to download it, which we have already done. So after downloading it, you will notice that the file you downloaded, it comes in zip file. Zip file means that they have compressed the files inside. They don't want it to be too large. You understand? The file is too large, they compress it. You understand? So the file comes in zip file. So what did I do? I say, okay, since it comes in a zip file, someone want to ask a question? Okay, so let me continue. So it came in a zip file. So I said, let's unzip it. Let's unzip it. This was what we downloaded. This was what we downloaded. This was what we downloaded. You can see something like zip there. You can see something like zip. So it came in a zip file. So after unzipping it, it created another folder. So that folder I created was the one I renamed with my name. And you can see that one is higher, it's larger. This one is 3.75 MB. Why the one that is compressed is what? Is 1.96. You can see that one is smaller. But after unzipping it, you now discover that okay, this is the one that I unzipped and it's higher than the one that is compressed. So that is where I am. And these are what we have inside.
Sorry.
Yeah. Ask
How
question.
did you unzip it?
Okay.
How did you unzip
Okay,
it?
okay, okay, I'll show you. You right click, then you see extract all. Can you see that? Extract all. If you don't have this extract all, just double click, then copy it. See, copy like this, and create a folder and paste this inside that folder. Do you understand now? Those are the 2 ways you can do it. So, can I go on?
No, no, sir. I've been unzipping my own yet. I'm not seeing any folder named
You have been unzipped.
massively.
How many have you unzipped? How
I
many
don't
times?
unzip and tire.
How
still know
many
they, I know
times
they
do
see
your zip?
anything.
How many times do your zip?
Oh, but plenty times. I'm not seeing anything still.
Okay, okay, okay. Just unzip again and screenshot for me. Let me see.
As in, I've done it several times.
Okay, okay.
Yet I'm not seeing anything. I think I'm seeing images and assets. I don't
Yeah,
know.
which one are you seeing inside?
I'm seeing images, assets, but it's not it now. Maybe
It's
it's
not showing.
another thing.
It's not showing the index.
I'm not seeing anything. I'm only seeing. I think I'm
Okay,
seeing
okay,
images,
okay.
assets.
See what you do. See what you do. That zip. Double click. Like open it. Double click. That
Okay.
zip.
Yes.
What is it showing you?
Okay. I'm seeing assets. I'm seeing images, license, readme, generic, index,
Uh-huh.
elements.
Or yeah, copy it. Control A. Copy everything. Control A. Highlight everything. Then Control C.
Okay.
Copy. Create a folder
o-
and paste it inside that folder.
Okay. Okay. You said I should use my name, Abby.
Use your name so that you can OVA data science portfolio or just a OVA portfolio. So anything you can put Excel, you can put SQL, you can put Power BI, Python, anything you want to do there, you can do it with it. It's not limited to a particular project. It's any project you want to use it to show. You can use it.
Okay.
Any other person? Grace, you want to say something? Green, okay,
Yes,
green
I've
life.
pasted it.
Green life. Who is green life? We can't hear you. Like you want to talk, but
I'm the
maybe
one. I'm the one.
you are the one using green life. You don't change your name to
Yeah.
OV to green life. Okay,
Don't
first.
mind me. That is my company name.
Okay, okay. Let's go. Let's go. So after unzipping, this file is what we need. Index. But look at what I will do. Um, right click, open with. Let's see. Okay. Um, let's see if we can get that open with. If it's not here, we'll use another format to do that. Okay. Let's open our Visual Studio Code. This is our Visual Studio Code. So open folder. If you open the Visual Studio Code, you will see open folder. You see a new file, file, open folder. So click on open folder. Before I click, are you there? Open your Visual Studio Code. Then this is the first front, like welcome screen. So it will show you open new file, open folder. Then click on open folder. Can I click? Should I click?
You
Okay.
can
Okay.
click.
Okay, open folder.
Sorry, not
Yes, you can
showing.
click. Click.
Okay.
You can go ahead.
Okay, open folder. So I will look for
What?
my folder. This is
Which
my own
icon?
folder. This is my folder here. So I'll select it. So yeah. So this is the file. You trust this. So these are the files inside. So I'm making use of this index. This is the index. All the image that was used for the website is inside this image. All the image you can see that was used for that website. These are all the image.
Why am I not seeing this thing?
All the images that was used for that website. You know, I showed you the website earlier on. Let me show you again. Do you see all these images? All these images. All these images. Hmm?
Mr. Dan,
Yeah.
when I just opened that OVA portfolio that I saved, I'm only seeing asset and images. I'm not seeing index. All those things I copy is only two that is showing.
So you two things are showing.
Yes,
It
only
says
asset and
I said
images.
screenshot and show me. Show me the zip file, the step you're taking. Show me the zip file, then show me what you're doing, so I know how to assist you. Hello, sir. Someone want to say something? Hello, sir. Hello, ma. Who is that person I want to say? Let me hear you. Somebody raised hand before. Please let me hear. Let me hear.
I was the one.
Okay.
issue that I was seeing assets and images. I've downloaded this thing. I've edited it. I don't. I think it sends a screenshot.
You've downloaded it too, Abby. You have downloaded the Visual Studio Code and the HTML5 massively, Abby.
I clicked on sometimes
Your line is breaking.
there.
Can't hear you very well. Your line is breaking.
I think she's having similar problem with me.
I open. Yes, exactly. I have problem.
Okay,
Similar problem.
see what I will do. I will just send you the one I downloaded. I will send it to the group. So that will be better. I will send us the file, the one I downloaded now. Send that one to the group. I think that will solve the problem. Okay. So you can check your group and send that. It's 2.1 MB. Check. I sent it. I've sent it. So let's go on. Let's go on. So these are the codes that was used for creating that site. These are the code. This is HTML5. So HTML is just a markup language. The markup language. The markup language. So some of us will have had basics of HTML. Okay. I don't know how many of us have the basics, but it's not difficult. You can learn it in one day. I tell people you can learn HTML in one day. HTML is not difficult. It's not hard to learn. You put your mind that you want to learn it for one day, you can learn it. Anybody going into programming, that is the first part they will tell you to learn master HTML. So it's a basic programming language that you can use. So let's go on. So these are the code that was used for creating that website. For you to view it, you can decide to be viewing your code, your site when editing the code. You can decide to view it, to see what you are doing. So for you to do that, you need a live server. Let me check that. I've installed mine already. Let me check. I've installed mine. You can see my live server. So if you don't have this live server is when you're editing and you want to see what you are editing, if it has taken place, the effect of what you're editing, you can use this live server. Let me open it and show us. Allow. So you can see, do you see it? Do you see it? Once I click on the live server, it's opened the website. Can you see what I'm doing?
Yes, sir.
So don't forget, I open it from where? From Visual Studio Code, right? I open it from Visual Studio Code. So we are going to be working using this index.html. So we edit anything we don't want, we remove it. The ones we want to add, we add it. But before then, let me walk on. Before I start editing here, let me walk us through creating our GitHub account. So I gave you step by step. If you click on your group, I gave you a step by step on our WhatsApp group on how to create a GitHub account. So I already have account. I don't know the person own I can use. Who want to share? Let me use that person own to show us step by step. Who want to share? This is my own account. Who want to share? Who want to share? Let me use the person's screen to create the account. Anybody? Nobody? Nobody want to share for us? Huh? Mr. Ovie, do you have a GitHub account?
I have, but this I'm still having issue
No,
with
no, no.
this.
I don't want to hear anything. You have already. Madam Ido, do you have a GitHub account?
I don't know. I'm not sure.
Okay, let me share your
Should
screen.
be what we download there this afternoon.
No, 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 no. Let me share your
I
screen.
can share my screen.
Yeah, let me share your screen.
Okay.
Let me use, I already have it. I don't want to create another account. So I don't like creating accounts. I'm not using it. So let me use your own account. Then check the let me stop sharing so you can share your screen for me. Okay. So you're sharing now, right?
Yes, sir.
Uh-huh. Oh yeah. Take this page away. What you just display, take it away. Open a fresh page. Open a fresh page. So if you don't have account, you follow what you want to do now. Follow the step. So now open a new tab. Let's walk through it together.
Can you see now?
Yes, oh yeah. GIT. GIT. GIThub.com. Type GIThub.com.
GIT
I
dot.
can't see it, so I can't see what you're typing now. Where are you typing?
Wait till maybe I'm typing in the wrong place.
What you're showing is Google. Mm, mm, mm.
No, it's not coming up. Can you see my screen?
Yes, I'm seeing you're showing us Google. You're not showing us. You're not typing anything. Look at what I sent to you. Copy and paste. GitHub.com. Okay. Oh yeah, sign up. Sign up for GitHub. Sign up for GitHub. Click on sign up. Put your email. Put your email. Then choose the password. Then username. Please, if you don't have, follow what she's doing. Me, I already create my own. So if you don't have, create yours. Password should be at least 15 characters or 8 characters, including number and a lower case letter. Don't forget to write the password down. No. Write it down, no, ma. Write it down so you don't forget it. Who want to ask question? As she's doing it, you can be asking me question.
I want to ask question. No.
Oh yeah, go ahead.
and it's about the Visual Studio Code.
Okay.
So when I click on open folder and I selected that folder, the OV portfolio, I am not seeing the index. I'm only seeing asset and image. But if I'm not on this, if I'm not
But
going through this Visual Studio Code, I will see everything under the folder. So why is it like that?
if you open your Visual Studio Code,
Yes, I'll click on open folder and I click on that folder that I saved where I
yeah,
unzip all those files. I will
yeah.
not see the index. I will only see assets and image. I said it's
I
index that
say
will
you
show.
should screenshot now, but that index is in that folder before, Abby.
Yes, it's inside it now. It's inside it now. But if I
Uh,
go through this Visual Studio Code, I will not see it.
Screenshot and show me now.
Okay, let me do it.
Madam, I'm waiting for you. Are you not done? Use the audio. Use the audio to do it. Use the audio. Listen to it too, so you hear the voice.
Option 1. Option 2. Option 3.
So which one is it? Which option is it? Which option sound like cat?
Option 3.
Yeah, the man.
Option 3.
Madam, what you type now? I submit. No. Confirm your email address. Check your code. Like I've sent you the code. Check your email.
I've sent it to you, Mr. Dan.
You sent it to me, Abby.
Yes.
You're only just showing assets and
Yes. It's only showing assets and images. It's not
oh,
showing the index.
let me see what is wrong with it. Hold on, let me finish with this one. Let me see what's wrong with it. Any other person with any question? Are you seeing how to create a GitHub account? Can see how to create it. She has created that own from beginning to the end. So, ma, are you true? Good, good. So I clap for you. Job well done. Thank you. So for everybody, that is how to create an account. It's not hard now, is it hard? So that is how to create a GitHub account. Like I said, it's not hard creating a GitHub account. It's not hard creating a GitHub account. Ma, hold on, one more thing before you go back to before you stop sharing, one more thing I will show us. Please, are we all on the same page?
No.
You saw what she did, creating this
Yeah.
creating it from
Yeah.
scratch,
From
from
scratch.
job, yeah. So she have created it. So this platform is a web-based it's a web-based platform that allows developers and programmers to host and share and also collaborate on software projects. So in this place, it is a platform you can store files, you can download, you can store your files, your database inside. You can share with anybody that you want to share it with. You can even work with your team members using this platform. So where we are going to is creating repository. If you look at it, say create your first what? Create your first project. Ready to start building, create a repository for a new idea or bring over an existing repository to keep contributing to it. So we are going to be creating a repository. We're going to be creating a repository. Ma, do you have a project? Do you have any project? Anyone that you like to push to your GitHub account? I can't hear you. Are you there? Can we all hear me?
Yeah, I can hear you.
Yeah, I can hear you too.
Okay. But are you with us? Okay. Don't worry, you can stop sharing. Let me continue from this. I can't hear you. You can stop sharing. Let me continue from here. So thank you. Now everybody know how to create the account. So let me continue from there. Thank you. So this is my own account. Let me share back my screen. Share back. Mm. So check if you can see my screen. Check.
Yeah, I can see your screen.
So I will send the overview of the GitHub. Let me send that. So don't forget. Let me send it. Select this. 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 So I'll send the notes for the GitHub. You can learn it to have like 2 or 3 clue on what that site is all about. So you can go through it. The platform. Look at what the platform is all about. So the next thing I will send us. Mm, 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 mm. 1 minute. 1 minute. 1 minute. 1 minute. 1 minute. 1 minute. Just spare me 1 minute. Okay. Mark. Mm, okay. So I've sent us overview of the GitHub and Visual Studio Code. So you can go through that on your own free time. You can go through these two talks I sent to us. So let's go on. So next, you can see my repository that I have here. These are some of the files I just uploaded recently. And see, let me show you. This is Excel. This is Excel sales analysis. This one of project I posted here. You can see this. This is a project here. This is on PowerPoint. You can download it on PowerPoint to check. So you can download all these projects. If you want to check it on my own account, you can go and check it. For somebody that is looking for projects, you can go to my account and download any project here. So you can use for this class we are doing. So this, I have a road accident. This is road accident. Like I will use this road accident. Did I upload anything on it? I uploaded. This is road accident. This is Python. This is Python. I did this one with Python. So this is road accident. Like I'll use this one. So I'll use this one. So this road accident. This road accident survivor data set. So I can use this one. But let me show us on how to push our project to GitHub. So to upload it, let me go back on it. You click on new. You help us to set it up. You can see your own is showing a repository. So if I click on this new, if I click on new, so if you ask me my repository name, so that repository name, I can decide to create a folder. Like that folder now, I can name that folder Python. So inside that folder, I will now be loading my Python project. I can also create a repository for a particular project, but I will encourage you to create folder. Like you can create folder for Python, you can create folder for Excel, you can create repository for Tableau, you can create repository for all your courses that you're doing. Some are doing like 5 courses. You're doing Tableau, R programming, Excel, SQL, local, machine learning. You're doing different projects. So as a data person, you can decide to organize your files. You understand? You can decide to organize it. Okay, I don't want it to be like project. Like I want it to be like a form of folder, like Python folder. Anything that have to do with Python, any project that I've done that have to do with Python, we go inside that folder. So let me just say Python. So Python is available for me. I've not created any Python there. So next, you can add a README file. This README file is just like a description telling the people that are opening it that, oh, this folder you click is just for Python. Okay. How many of us are with me? How many of us are working with me? Let me know people I'm carrying along, and maybe I should be going on and be explaining.
I'm with you, sir. I'm
Where?
following.
Okay. Anybody
with
having
you.
difficulty with it? Anybody having a difficulty with it? Any issue? Up to where I am.
My
Move on.
to create them. I don't know why it's not. Maybe so. I don't know.
You
It
say what?
gets to verify with ticket. Stop.
You say what?
So the GIT hub When
Yeah.
I get verified, it will just tick, it will stop. I don't know if it's network or
No,
so,
it's never.
but
It,
I'm
may be
following up with
network.
the class. Yeah.
It may be network.
Yeah.
It may be
Hmm.
network.
I'm following up with the class very accordingly so that for that we
I'm
cannot
also
meet up
I'm
practically.
also recording it.
Okay. Thank you, sir.
So like I said, the Python is our repository name. So the one I'm doing now is for Python. So I said you can add a README file. You can add a README file. The README file will serve as what? As like description of the the file you're uploading there. You have like a description of the file you're uploading there. So we have description. It's optional. Description is optional. So you can decide to add a little description of the project you are trying to upload. But since this one is majorly for all Python projects, you can decide not to add the description to it. So let me just add to it. Just um add this. So then README. So create repository. So mine is public. I don't want you to make it private. So public, so anybody can see it. So now I've created what? I've created the repository Python. I've created the repository what? Python. So I want to add Python folder. Like I said, this class they have to continue, not today, maybe next other, maybe on Friday, depending on the days I will pick. I can still draw a pool. So depending on the day, but anywhere I stop, make sure you are there. I can't start from the beginning again. So this one, you can see a repository dedicated to Python project, tutorial, and learning resources. So I have some files here. I have some files here that I would like to upload. So I have some files here that I would like to upload. Uh, okay. So I have some files here I like to upload. Let me pick this road accident. Let me pick this road accident. So I want to push this road accident to my GitHub account. So I'll split the screen into two so you'll be able to see what I'm doing. So I'll split it into two so you'll be able to see what I'm doing. So here you have this plus sign. Say create a file or upload what? Files. So I'm going to upload. I'm going to upload. So I'll drag this. I can drag or I can click on choose a file. So I'll drag this road accident survivor dataset. I'll drag it in. So it's loading. So as finished loading, take this one off. So you can see that the three files inside has finished. It's finished loading. So add commit changes. I don't need to add anything on commit changes. Then click commit changes. So now you can see there. You see the files there showing what the road survivor, the road accident survivor data set. So if I open it, you can see this is the Python code I use for it. I can open the Python code. So this is the file. Can you see that? So whether my system, anything happen to my laptop now, or somebody delete it inside my system, my file is saved on this platform. My database is safe. Some people have been using it for 4 years, 5 years. Some people have been using it for 2 years. Their documents are intact. Understand? So for those that don't have a project, I will send this link to you. I will send this link. This is my link to you. So you download this project that I'm using now. Download this one. If you know you don't have a project or you want to work with me with this project I'm using, this one I want to use first. So I will send this link. This is what you will download. This one. So I will send you this link. I'll send it to the group. Have you received it?
Yes.
Okay. So download and upload it. You download and upload it to your GitHub. Download this folder you're seeing here, this folder, download it. Download it and upload it to your GitHub. We have the road accident survivor dataset, so download it. So we are done uploading our first project. Okay? We are done uploading our first project.
Sorry, sir. How do I download? I've opened it. I'm not seeing downloading.
You open it
Yes.
and you're not seeing download. Check that 3 icon there. Check the 3 icon, these 3 dots. These 3 dots.
Okay.
Check there if you see download.
I did not see copy part, copy permalink. That's what I saw
Did
there.
you click on the file that you open? Did you open it? Did you open it?
Yes, please.
Okay, hold on. Let this one finish.
Yes, please.
Hold on 1 minute. Let it finish loading. Let me show you.
Okay.
Please, I have a question.
Okay. You can ask.
Okay. You said it's always better to put all like Python work in a different folder, maybe Python and all these things. But because my own GitHub, I have some projects.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying now.
I just uploaded all of them like no folder, just
That's what I'm saying. Some people just upload like anyhow. They just be pushing it. It's not organized.
no. But I also add README to it.
Madam, can you see now? Hold on. Can you see now? See download here. You will click on that file. See download here. Can you see download?
Wait, I'm not seeing it.
Click on it to open like this. Can you see the way my own is opening? If it's not opening like this, you will not see that icon. Yeah, continue, sir.
So I also add README to it. Are you saying that we should start restructuring or?
Yes, you are a data person now. We should be doing data. What I'm saying is that don't be pushing. You know when you start pushing those things, you will not know the one that it's only you that know the one that is Excel and the one that is Power BI, the one that is Python. You understand? But if you structure it in a way that somebody open your files, you see that you're organized. You understand? There's some people's account you open, you will see Power BI. When you click, you see different Power BI projects. Not that they upload everything, like they're pushing everything. Do you get?
Yeah.
So like this Python now. this Python now that you're seeing now. Now we have only one Python file there.
But
So
it won't have README.
by next time now, you'll be seeing two Python. You'll be after this folder, you can see that it's a folder. You see that it's a folder.
Yeah.
So by the next
But I'm saying it won't have README.
eh?
It won't, like, if you upload plenty of them, like, it won't, all of them won't have README.
It won't add what?
Different. It won't have this README now.
No. It will add with me. If you are doing it different, if like if you are doing it without creating a folder, if you are doing it without creating a folder, it will have README. If you are creating it with a folder, it will have README. But what you need to do again is to document your project. If you look at this now, if you look at this project that I did now, there is a Word document attached to it. This project I did now.
What?
Yes, I will still upload this one. There's a Word document attached to it, which I'm going to upload soon. So that document is the overview of the project. You understand? So if I use that README, the README can only work for that Python. Like, okay, what I'm doing on this part is Python. You get?
Okay.
What are the differences? So it's my charger. Let me plug it. I haven't plugged it because I can't charge. Okay.
Hello, Mr. Dan.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, please. After downloading that road accident and I tried to open it, it opened on my visual stuff.
Because your visual stuff is your default. It's the default, not your Jupyter. So don't just close it. Don't open it with your Visual Studio. Just use your. Don't open it. Don't even need to open it. Say what I say you should do is to upload it. Upload. If you want to view it, you can also run your Python code or Visual Studio code. But if you want to open it, use your Jupyter. You have Jupyter now.
Yes.
Use your Jupyter. You can also run your Python code on Visual Studio code.
Okay.
But you don't need to open it. Just upload it. Upload it to your GitHub.
Okay, to upload it on that my visual.
Yes, upload it on that GitHub account. You first create a repository.
I did not see repository in my own.
You did not see repository in your own.
Okay, create repository. Yes, I've seen. Okay. Okay, so I should put a name to it. So I should call it Python, right?
Yes. I'm coming.
And I should make it private.
Okay. I'm coming. 1 minute. Are you through?
Sorry, are you talking to me?
Yes, are you through?
Okay, yes. The repository name, I named it type Python. Then I went to public private. I made it private.
Okay.
Then it's this add a README file. Am I supposed to tick it?
You're supposed to tick it now. Add a README file.
Okay.
On it.
So yeah, I've done that. So I should just click create repository.
If you click on that create repository, it will show you let me show you. Look at my screen. Look at my screen.
Okay.
Let me show you. No, go back.
It has showed me this page just left.
Hold on, let me show you. When you click on that create repository, this is what you have now.
Yes.
Owner, then the repository name. So the repository name should be Python. Use Python.
Yes.
Use Python as your repository name.
Okay, so it has shown me a page where I have README Python. So how do I now upload what I've downloaded.
It will show you a page. You will see where you have okay, let me just do one. Let me just do one. After clicking on it, then add readme. I'll delete this one later on. Great. Mm. So this is it. Add file. Add file.
Yes.
If you click on that add file, you see
Okay.
upload.
Okay.
Uh,
Okay. Okay. Okay.
So any other person with any question? Any question?
Yeah, I noticed something. Can you have more than one GitHub account?
Which one Gmail?
I don't know, but can you have more than one?
I have more than one with different Gmail now.
Okay, because I noticed it's like you have more than one
Who?
GitHub.
Who?
You,
I have
you,
different
you.
Gmail now. I'm using it to teach. I have different Gmail.
Okay.
You saw my account. You are looking at my account.
No, there was a post you made and you
Okay.
dropped the link, so I went to
Okay. I
check
have different
the
account. I have different account.
project.
This one I use this one for teaching. I have my personal GitHub account. I use this one for teaching.
Okay.
What? And my watermelon. Hello.
Okay. So I've uploaded
Okay.
and I'm already seeing road accident survivor data set.
Okay. You
I don't know
uploaded
if on the same page now.
that. Is it the folder
Yeah.
you uploaded, or did you download everything inside that road accident, or you only download road accident?
Only the asset.
Okay.
I
Oh, no, no
alone.
problem. No problem. You are learning small, small. You will master it. Like small, small.
Then where I have a question, I sent a screenshot to you. I have the network page on. I don't know
Okay.
your WhatsApp. We
Mm,
have visuals.
we just
I
wait.
saw my
The network is breaking.
Mm. So I said check your WhatsApp. I sent a screenshot to you.
Okay.
So on that visual stuff, that was where I got stuck. But I've seen the index. But
Well,
just
what
that
I'm
I didn't know what next to do on that.
It's okay now. What you sent to me is okay. You're on the same page with me.
Okay.
Mm.
Oh, great, great.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Yeah. So we have we've tried coming this far. We've tried. We've done a lot of things today. So what we need to do now, you see this site now. See this site. We will not host today. Hosting is easy, but we need to work like I said. We need to work like 2 or 3 projects. Hosting, hosting is very easy. Hosting it is very easy. So, but let's work on this front page. Let's work on this front page. He said this is massively. So we can put something. Maybe use your name to replace it, and use your name. Then add a little description under it. Understand? Add your name. Change this massive. Let me show you how to change it. So back to your Visual Studio Code. There are a lot of things we are going to be doing on this platform. We are going to change the colors, going to change the images. Then a lot of things we are going to do actually. So this is massively. Let me show you where to get it. Mm. Some of us that have sharp eyes too can check it also. The eyes is sharp. So this is it here. This is massively. This is it. Line what? Line 39. Line 39. Abi? Let me check again. Hold on. Let me check. Okay, okay. We have it in two in different places. The one that is showing on that front page is line 22. Line 22. Check your line 22. Are you having the same thing with me? Line 22. Are we there?
Yeah, here.
Are we on the same page?
Yes.
Not yet,
Yes,
though.
we're on the same page.
Okay. Oh yeah.
That's line 39 now.
No, 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 no. 22. Look at it. Look at my cursor.
Okay, yes. This is yes.
So we're going to change that. We're going to change that right off. That this is massively. So you can use your name. So me, I'm going to use welcome to Johnny Daniel portfolio. So that I'm going to use for my phone. Instead of using this is massively. Mm, so you can type it, you can change 1 minute. So just, um, the BR, this BR, I will not have time to be explaining everything. The H1, we have H1 to H6, I mean H5. So that H1 to H5 means the way you want it. If you want it big, if you want it small, if you want it, depending on the size you want. You understand? So H1 is bigger. You get? So depending on how you want the front of that stuff to be. So here we are using H1. Why this B? BR. BR is break. Is break tag. If you want to break a particular, let me show you why it's break tag. Can you see this is you can see this is the first line. Do you see that? So that BR is what break it into two. Do you get?
Yes,
Yeah.
sir.
So I'm teaching you web now. You pay all that money for me. So that BR is break tag. Is break tag. If you don't want to use break tag, you can remove it. You see it. If you don't want to use that break tag, you can take it away. You can take that break tag away. So me, I prefer this one. So I need to edit this like this. Let me go and edit it back. So I will use my name. I don't need the break tag again. So welcome to Johnny Daniel's portfolio. So next, I'm saving it. Let me show you the article. Yes, someone want to ask a question?
Yes, sir. Please, when I make this adjustment, it's not reflecting on my own massively stuff. I don't know what is happening. Is
Because
it
I
that it's
did
not
not
linked?
install live server. You know, I said you should install live server.
That's live server. How do I install it? I did not see it.
Just go to your extension.
Someone is assisting you. Oh, yeah. Continue, continue.
Go to your extension and add it and install it now.
I'm not getting that part.
Go to
Okay, extension. Okay.
go to your extension, type live server.
Okay. Live server.
Please, if you have any question, ask. We are family here. Ask your question. Anybody will attend to you. If the person is not getting, I will assist the person. So act. Don't leave this platform.
Um, okay.
You don't want to click anything.
Have you seen it?
Yes. So do I click on Trust Publisher and install?
Yeah.
Okay. So how do I know if it's done? There's something popping out. Do you want to install the recommended Python extension from Microsoft for the Python language?
No, no, no. It's just live server you are installing.
Yes, I've installed the live server. So
Okay, leave it now. You just go down.
okay,
You will see it on the. You will see where they say go live down. Or if you don't see it, maybe you can right click on anywhere in yours on your VS Code and you will see live server. And you just click it.
no, I've seen live server. I've
Oh,
installed. So
okay.
that go live is where I'm trying to. I'm not
Okay, just
seeing that.
right. Have you you're no longer on your extension right now, right?
I've got to
Just
extension. I've installed live server.
okay. Oh yeah, you can close it. Then come back
I
to
should.
your come back to your the main workplace. Then just right click anywhere and you will see
Okay,
live server. You click on it.
and I'll see what.
Live server. Open live server.
I did not see it though. Where is it supposed
Just right
to come?
click like anywhere. Just
Okay,
on your work. Just right click. You will see it.
okay, I've done that. It's not showing me anything.
Okay, come
Okay, let
down.
me screen. Okay, I want to screenshot and probably share.
Are you not done?
No, I'm not done. No.
Okay.
I mean, I went to extension, but I could not. I typed live server, but nothing came out.
Okay,
Ah,
so
Yes.
you right click now after installing it.
ah,
This your extension. Search for live server to come out. Is it
And
connected?
nothing is
That
pop.
system you're using, is it connected?
Yes, it's connected. I
Search
click
for
on.
live server. This is live server. Look at it. This is live server. This is it here. Then you click and install. You can see my own. I don't want to
Uh-huh.
install. Click
I've
and install.
installed.
After
Uh-huh.
installing, go back. Cancel it like this. Go back.
Okay.
This is your code. Right click. Then you see open with live server.
Why is my own not showing now?
Okay, I've seen mine.
Correct.
Then I'll now click, is it private network, or I leave it the way it is and just click allow access.
Allow access.
Okay. Mm-hmm. Okay. Okay, let me go and try what you said again.
When I click on manage extension live server, but nothing is coming out. No search results found.
Hmm. No start result found.
Yes.
Have you installed the live server?
Yeah, yes. And I've seen this thing. It's pop out on my this thing, the massive stuff. But I tried to edit from the visual. It's still not reflecting on it.
It's not reflecting on it.
Mm.
Oh, okay. I will check it.
if you edit it, you will
Hey,
always be going live
hey,
now.
if you click like this and open Abi,
Yes.
you now open a browser Abi.
Yes.
That browser I open, what is it showing?
It's showing me this is massively.
Have you edit your own the way I edited my own, putting my name?
Yes, I did.
I can
Okay, let me
press
type it.
Ctrl X to save.
Okay.
or I'll go back to that browser and check. Go back to that browser and check.
Okay. Oh,
So okay now, abi?
thank you. Yes.
Okay.
Thank you too, sir.
Alright, let's go on. So let's move on.
Mr. Dan, my one is not working. Oh,
What
you won't go on. Where they go?
have you right click? Maybe have installed.
My one, I did not even install anything. I couldn't see anything to install.
What is not working? What did I say is not working?
I said I went to extension. I click on manage extension.
Do
So I
you is your index showing? Is this file showing on your own side?
what file?
This index, this one I'm displaying on my screen.
Yes, yes, it's not showing.
I'll go to extension. Click on live server. Look at my screen. See
Okay,
extension. Extension is the last one. Extensions is the last one.
okay,
Uh-huh.
okay.
Click on extension, then type live server. If you click on the live
Lifestyle.
server, to show you like this, something like this. Then install it. Install.
Okay, I'm seeing live server launch a development.
Install. Install. Click on it. You click on it.
Okay,
Then install it.
I've clicked on it.
I install it. Are you not seeing install there?
I'm not see the installing is showing blood.
It's showing what?
Blood. It's showing installing.
Now, click on it now. Is it installing?
It's showing installing.
That means you have clicked on it already now. If it's
Okay,
showing installing, that means you have clicked on it. Allow you to finish installing. Once you finish installing, you will see like disable and uninstall.
okay.
It doesn't take time.
Okay, I'm seeing disable and uninstall.
I have cancel it. You will see where you have the star. Close it. And go and open your index. Right click. You will see open with live server.
Okay, I should cancel this live server.
That's
I
finished
should close
installing
it.
now.
Okay, I should close it. Okay.
Yeah.
So I should now right click here.
Right click on that your code. You will see open with
Okay.
live server.
Okay, okay, I've seen it.
So thank you. I can go on now. I mean, I used to not go on. I can go on now. Let's go.
Yes, you
So
can go on now.
the next thing I want to edit now is this part. A free, fully responsive HTML5. So I want to edit this one. So I have a text I want to use. I'll paste the text now. So you do your own. You can decide not to use my write-up. Use your own write-up. Customize your own write-up. So this is what I want to use. One minute, I have to reduce my code small. Okay, so I want to edit on line 24 and 25. Let me increase and show you what I put there. This is what I put there. So save. Save. Then let's view it. Can you see? Are you following?
Oh boy. Oh, no, no.
So edit your own. You saw the one I edited, Abby?
Hmm.
Okay. So this is where I will stop for today. This place. Please, so that those that did not join us can watch this video and join us to wrap it up the next time we are going to meet. Exactly. Are we there? Are we there?
As you are not familiar with this
Yeah, we are
system,
here.
So this is where we stop so that
okay.
those that did not join can also partake this class when next time comes. So let's just stop here. Then give them, you can see this is my own work. This is what I've done so far. So I'll stop here. Then we continue.
Fantastic.
You've done your own, Abby.
Yes.
Save, Ctrl X.
Yes, I've done that.
We'll continue from there to the next class.
Wow.
Because
Wow.
we are halfway now.